on it. So
yeah, we shall see what the future holds for that, right? Okay, well, we got more just to come up here, and this one is just more like I've been threatening this for weeks, and I finally got up off my butt and did it. So there's that. So you know what I'm gonna do, Corey? I'm gonna roll the video of the sim. So one of the things that's on this channel. So if you've been around the channel a couple of times, you might see that there's a video out there with about 1,900 views, which is of my old simulator back circa 2017. I was about the same time I got the Lumix GH5. It was my first foray into really doing some digital editing, playing around, and having some fun with cameras. Well, guess what? The sim is back, and it is back here with a small edit of just the new wheel, the old wheel, a combination of the new screens, which are the wraparound screens, the new actual what else is new on it? It's got the new monitor mounts. It's got a whole bunch of new tech that's thrown in there, totally redesigned from the bottom up about a year and a half ago. And let's just take a look at what it looks like today for everybody out there on the channel. And I'll be putting this video up there shortly as well. And there she is. So, hey, one of the neat things about that is that right now I have 0 tunes on the cars. I just basically have gotten the thing put together the way that I enjoy it. And launching a new racing series with a couple of buddies of mine. So that's going to be other information we got coming up here for the fall, which will be kind of neat. And also looking to find participants that actually want to race in some 24-hour races on iRacing. But that's all to come in the not too distant future. But Corey, it's been a while since you've been in the sim. We need to figure out if we need to just put together a day where we just come out here and run some laps and have some fun with it, and maybe put the cameras on it and different configurations, and just maybe do a live stream from here. That'd be fun. I know we've been threatening, but we haven't done it yet. But there will be more to come up on the sim, and there's like 5 pieces of technology sitting in this room that all are worthy of time devoted to them for an actual review, including the steering wheel, the drone, new cameras.
Oh yeah,
which
of course.
We're inundated with trying to keep the live stream going sometimes, and that takes a little bit of work. So we have to figure out our work schedules to try to get around the created content and what we can do for the live stream too, because the live stream seems to be doing way better than we expected. We figured we'd have to do features in order to attract people to the live stream, but what's happened now is that the live stream itself is actually doing better than most of the features we put out there. So interestingly enough. And if you're a past subscriber or a new subscriber, go check out some of the stuff that you might not have seen on the channel before. It all helps us out. And if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this, by all means, subscribe. We'd appreciate it.
Yeah, very much appreciated. Yeah. Yeah, we're